Did you know, no two zebras have the exact same pattern of stripes, making them as unique as human fingerprints? Zebras' stripes aren't just for show, they also confuse predators during a chase, increasing their chances of escape. Zebras are very social and will only go to sleep if they have a buddy to stand guard against predators. Zebras' stripes also help to deter the tiny biting flies that can spread disease, thanks to the optical illusion they create. From their unique stripes to their social behavior, zebras truly are one of nature's most fascinating creatures.